From a company that was founded as a subsidiary of Rolex with the intent of selling high-quality watches at a lower price, comes this men's Tudor Heritage Chronograph, a new luxury watch that adds a sharp edge to the modern gentleman's wardrobe. Like the razor-sharp, polished edge of a stealthy warrior sword, this timepiece is a stylish and elegant horological work, featuring a stainless steel case that measures 42 millimeters wide without the crown and 50 millimeters long with the lugs. The bracelet is solid stainless steel, uses a deployment clasp, and will fit a wrist up to 8 inches. An automatic movement powers the luminescent steel-toned hour and minute hands, the subsidiary seconds, the date window, and the 45-minute counter. This sophisticated and suave timepiece comes with serious attitude and furious functionality. 300 watches, infinite possibilities.